Trendlines are really insightful tools when you want to present your data in a chart. They're superimposed lines on a chart that reveals the overall pattern or direction of your data. Trendlines have many applications in different fields like finance, statistics, and anything else that requires some data analysis. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to add them in Microsoft Excel. First things first, to be able to add a trend line to a chart, you're going to need a chart. Check out our how-to guides over at simplesheets.co so we can learn how to add a chart in Excel, as well as learn loads more through our guides on anything that you might need for Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Once we have a graph on our spreadsheet, we can select the chart, and these three buttons on the right appears. Click on the green plus sign and a context menu pops up. It's here where we can easily choose to add different chart elements to customize our charts. We can hover our cursor over the trend line and we can select the different kinds of trend lines that are available to us. We can choose from linear, exponential, linear forecast, 2-point moving average, and many more. In this case, we can just select linear. It adds in the trend line to our chart instantly. To change the formatting of the trend line to make it stand out more or to match your organization's theme, we can right-click on the trend line and select Format Trend Line. On the right-hand side, we can see the Format Trend Line pane. It gives us tons of options to change and customize our trend lines. We can change the trend line type, trend line name, and change the parameters of the forecast if we have a forecasting trend line. To change how the trend line looks, we can go into Fill and Line here. We can set the kind of line that we have, the colors, the transparency, width, arrow types, and many more. To remove the trend line, all we have to do is select the chart again and in the green plus sign, uncheck the trend line. It's that simple. Want to know what's more simple? Downloading an Excel template from simplesheets.co. With over 100 pre-built and smart templates, you're sure to find something you never knew you needed. As always, if you found this video useful, please do let us know by leaving a like and make sure you're subscribed for more Excel and Google Sheets tips and templates. I'll see you on the next one.